In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Copilot shortcut Alt+Space. If you've ever found it frustrating to have Copilot pop up unexpectedly while you're working, you're not alone. This distraction can interrupt your workflow, and today we'll deal with it in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right into it. First, the initial step is to open the Copilot app. Make sure it's up and running on your desktop. If you use this tool often, the icon might already be pinned to your taskbar, making it quick to access. Otherwise, you can find it by navigating through your apps or using the search bar to locate it swiftly. Opening the app is crucial because we need to access its internal settings for the next steps. Once the Copilot app is open, direct your attention to the settings menu. To find this, look around the app's interface where you'll typically see options to customize various preferences. The settings menu is where we'll make the necessary changes to control the shortcut keys. Inside the settings, you should see a list of preferences designed to enhance your Copilot experience. Among these options is one labeled specifically for the Alt+Space shortcut. The developers created this shortcut as a quick way to access Copilot, but if it's not serving you well, you can easily change it. Now, the key action here is to locate the toggle for the Alt+Space shortcut in the settings list. Toggles are often used in software to enable or disable certain features with a simple click. It will likely have a label or a description that makes it clear you're adjusting the function for the Alt+Space command. With the toggle in sight, go ahead and turn it off. You might see a noticeable change like the switch moving to a different position or changing color. This visual cue confirms that the shortcut has been disabled. Once the toggle is off, you can exit the settings menu. There should be an option to either save changes or simply close the menu. Typically, changes like these are applied immediately, so you don't have to worry about losing your progress. Finally, now that you've disabled the shortcut, pressing Alt+Space will no longer bring up Copilot. You can breathe a sigh of relief knowing that interruptions from accidental key presses are a thing of the past. Enjoy a more streamlined workflow as you focus on your tasks without the unexpected pop-up of Copilot. That wraps up our tutorial for today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for joining us.